Drive. And from there, tsaka kami pupunta ng Moab for another 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, ayun. Medyo mahaba-haba yung biyahe kaya may baon si kuya na Bluetooth. So, instead na mag-play kami ng music sa radio, yung Bluetooth ang ginagamit namin para sa kanyang selection of music. So, ayan, nandito na kami ngayon sa Spanish Fork. According yan sa watermark ng aking camera, nakalagay is Spanish Fork. And ito nga, may nadaanan kaming windmill. So, first time naming dumaan sa area na ito. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Utah has got 5 national parks. So, we've been to Zion and Bryce nung summer, kasama yung aming mga friends. And we've also been to Yellowstone in Idaho and Wyoming. And so, this is going to be our 3rd and 4th national park in US. So, pupunta kami ng